Hi everyone! Welcome back to Everyday English Channel with Anna and Tom.
Hello, friends. I'm Tom. Thank you for joining us again.
Today, we're going to talk about something fun, my weekend at the zoo.
Yes, this is a great topic for beginners. You'll learn how to talk about your weekend and describe fun activities in English.
That's right. We'll also learn some new words about animals, food, and daily actions.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after us to practice your pronunciation.
Okay, let's start.
So, Anna, how was your weekend?
It was wonderful. I went to the zoo with my family on Sunday.
Oh, really? That sounds nice. Who went with you?
My parents, my little brother, and my cousin. We all went together by car.
How far is the zoo from your home?
It's about 30 minutes away. The road was not busy, so it was a nice trip.
That's good. What time did you arrive?
We arrived at around 10 o'clock in the morning. The weather was sunny and cool.
Perfect weather for the zoo.
Yes. When we got there, we saw a big sign, "Welcome to City Zoo."
So, what did you do first?
First, we went to buy the tickets. There were many people in line.
Did it take long to get the tickets?
Not too long, maybe 5 minutes. The staff was friendly.
That's nice. Did you get a map of the zoo?
Yes, we got a colorful map that showed where the animals were: elephants, lions, tigers, giraffes, birds, and even penguins.
Wow, that's a lot of animals.
Yes, the zoo was clean and beautiful, with many trees and flowers.
I can imagine. What did you see first?
We decided to see the elephants first because my brother loves them.
Tell me about the elephants.
They were so big. There were 3 elephants, 1 adult and 2 baby elephants.
Oh, baby elephants. Were they doing anything funny?
Yes, one of them was playing with water. It used its trunk to spray water everywhere. The kids laughed and clapped.
That's cute. Did you feed the elephants?
Yes, there was a small area where visitors could buy bananas and feed them. I gave a banana to 1 elephant. It was gentle.
That must have been fun.
Yes, and we took some pictures too.
Elephants are amazing animals, very smart and kind. What did you see next?
Next, we went to the giraffe area. Giraffes are my favorite.
Why do you like giraffes?
They are tall and peaceful. Their long necks look so elegant.
Did you see them eating?
Yes, they were eating leaves from tall trees. My brother said, "Wow, they look like tall trees too."
That's funny.
After that, we went to the lion zone.
Ooh, lions. The kings of the jungle.
Yes, we saw 2 male lions and 1 female lion. The male lions had big manes.
Were they roaring?
No, they were sleeping.
Lions sleep a lot.
Yes, 1 lion woke up, looked at us, and then went back to sleep.
What about monkeys? Did you see them too?
Oh, yes. The monkeys were very funny. They jumped, ran, and made noise.
Did they do anything silly?
Yes. 1 monkey took a man's hat and climbed up a tree.
Oh no. What did the man do?
He laughed, and everyone around laughed too. The monkey wore the hat for a few minutes, then threw it back down.
That's hilarious. Monkeys always make people smile.
So, after walking around, did you get hungry?
Yes. Around noon, we went to the food area.
What did you eat?
We bought sandwiches, French fries, and orange juice. My brother had ice cream.
Yum! Eating at the zoo is always nice.
Yes, we sat under a big tree and enjoyed our food. The wind was cool.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, and we talked about our favorite animals so far. My brother liked the elephants, and I liked the giraffes.
Great. Everyone has their favorite.
Did you take a lot of pictures?
Yes, I took many photos of the animals and my family.
Nice. Did you see anything special after lunch?
Yes, we went to the penguin house. It was cold inside.
Really?
Yes, there were many penguins swimming and walking. They looked so cute.
I love penguins. They always look like they're wearing little suits.
That's true.
When did you leave the zoo?
We left around 4 in the afternoon. We were tired but happy.
Did you buy anything from the gift shop?
Yes, I bought a keychain with a giraffe, and my brother got a monkey toy.
Nice souvenirs.
Yes, it helps us remember that happy day.
That's sweet.
When we got home, I looked at all the photos. It was a perfect weekend.
Okay, now it's time to help our listeners practice.
Yes, let's repeat some useful sentences.
Say after me, everyone. I went to the zoo last weekend. I saw many animals. My favorite animal was the giraffe. I took pictures and had fun. It was a great day.
Great job! You can also practice asking questions. How was your weekend? What did you do? Did you have fun?
Perfect for daily conversation practice.
Let's review today's new words. Elephant, giraffe, lion, monkey, penguin, feed, take pictures, walk around, buy tickets, have fun.
Excellent. Try to use these words when you talk about your weekend in English.
So that was my weekend at the zoo. It was full of fun, laughter, and learning.
Thank you for sharing your story, Anna. It made me smile.
You're welcome. And to our listeners, what about you? What did you do last weekend?
You can write your answers in the comments or say them out loud to practice English.
Yes, speaking out loud helps you become more confident.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot of useful phrases to use next time you go to the zoo.
Here's your challenge. Record your own zoo conversation. Pretend you're the friend or the family member and practice out loud.
You can share it with your study partner or post it in your learning group. Practice makes progress.
Beautifully said. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need honesty and a smile.
Exactly. Speak from your heart, and people will listen.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember every conversation brings you closer to fluency.
It will be so much fun, so don't be shy. This is a safe place to practice and learn together.
If you liked this episode, please share it with your friends or family who are learning English.
Keep learning, stay motivated, and remember, you can do it.
Bye, everyone. See you next episode.
Bye, everyone. See you next episode.